Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the AI Document Predict component to extract data from documents. As the name suggests, this component leverages Snowflake's Document Predict function, allowing you to call your document AI models directly within your Data Productivity Cloud pipelines. In this walkthrough, our model is trained to retrieve data from inspection documents. If the inspection has failed, the model extracts the date of that inspection. If you'd like to train your own model, please refer to the documentation linked below for more information on how to do that. We'll be using the AI Document Predict component as part of a pipeline which will retrieve data from inspection documents. Let's walk through each component in this pipeline. The SQL component is used to output the pre-signed URLs and relative paths of the files in the Snowflake staging location. These files are named with a manual prefix along with the year and month of the inspection. A filter component is then used to filter out manuals from March of 2022 so that only relevant documents move on to the AI Document Predict component. Next, we have the AI Document Predict component itself. In this component, we specify the database and schema where the trained model is stored. In the model build name property, we need to specify the build name of the document AI model. It isn't mandatory to set a specific build version. If you don't set this property, it will default to the latest version. In this case though, I will set mine to 1. For the URL column property, we need to choose the source column containing the pre-signed URLs of the staged files the model should act on. In this case, I will select the pre-signed _URL column, as this is where the signed URLs to our documents reside. For the include input columns, if we were to select yes, the component would output both your source URL columns and the prediction columns. We don't need to include the input columns, so we leave the option disabled. After the AI Document Predict component processes the files, the output is nested. We use an extract nested data component to flatten the output into a more usable tabular format. Finally, we use a rewrite table component to write the flattened output to a target table. Once the pipeline is configured, we validate and run it. After it runs, we can view a sample of the data by opening the Sample tab on an input table component. As we can see, the dates of any failed inspections have been successfully retrieved. So that was a quick walkthrough on how to use the AI Document Predict component to leverage your document AI models directly within a pipeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on the Data Productivity Cloud. To learn more about getting started with Matillion, visit matillion.com.